Alright, here's a quick fun video. 2 skills you can learn right now instead of just mindlessly scrolling on Instagram on your phone. Now, clap push-ups always impress people and they're actually easier than you think. First of all, master the form by doing knee clap push-ups. So have your knees touching the floor for extra support. Go down and explode your arms. Don't push yourself up, push the world down. Quickly clap and bring your hands straight back down. To make it look smooth, immediately go into the next rep. So immediately, straight after clapping, go straight down into the next one. That makes it a little bit easier so you can get more reps as well. Practice this and then start improving your normal clap push-ups without your knees for support. To beatbox, there's pretty much just 3 sounds that we're gonna start with. And you'll find that pretty much any sound you make in beatboxing is based off the letters of the alphabet. So the 3 letters that we're gonna make sounds from are B, T, K. So we'll start with B. What we're gonna do is say the start of the letter and just make the sound of it. So B, B, B. And then you can add some more bass, more emphasis. Really like make it loud. And then T, 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 and K, K, K. So the sounds that we have is just those 3 sounds, and with the right combination, the right rhythm, you can actually make it sound pretty good. So follow this combination of letters to make a decent rhythm. I like this one. You've seen people beatbox by covering their mouth. It makes it sound like it's got a little bit more bass and it stops all of the spit from getting onto your screen. So yeah. So beatboxing I just practice in the shower. There you go, there's your little homework for today. Instead of spending 20 minutes scrolling on Instagram, practice these 2 skills and you'll actually have something positive to show for it with your new made friends that you can watch the guide for. If you want to make new friends, you can watch the guide that I'll have somewhere here. Take care.